In today's video, I'll show you how to receive $160 in free PayPal money in only 10 minutes. Yes, just 10 minutes, so stay tuned if you're interested. If you're ready to get some free PayPal money, just mention free in the comment area below so I know you're ready, because I am. This will be a simple method to earn money online in 2022. I'll teach you how to use the greatest and most effective platforms to generate money rapidly. If you're interested, stay attentive and watch the video to the finish. Please do subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before we begin. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment area below. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you found it useful. Okay, now let's return to the video. So the first website we're going to speak about today is right here in front of your screens. Basically, this website is where you can perform a variety of chores, and it's an all-in-one website where you can do a variety of things. As you can see, the web page is available globally with over 2.8 million click workers situated in 136 countries, including North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, and other locations. People from all around the globe have told me that we need more global techniques, so that's what I'm going to show you right now. You can use this on your PC, tablet, or smartphone, and there's also an app that I'll show you later in this video. Okay, so you can engage in projects on a freelance basis on this website, and there are also other side jobs and activities that you can perform, which is ideal right now if you're still at home or trapped at home and seeking work. Also, you can see how data is made. We utilize the ClickWorker app for Android and iOS to create this data. There's a lot of different data on here, but I want to show you precisely where to go to get started with this website. So click Earn Money as a Quick Worker and it will take us to this page, Profit from Your Talent. ClickWorker is always looking for internet users worldwide who can, for example, create and correct text, participate in surveys, research, and categorize data for us. That's what this platform is all about. And then it works like this. You can sign up as a Click Worker for free, work independently on your own time, and it is fully flexible. So it is a terrific side hustle that I strongly encourage, and all you really need is an internet connection and your phone or computer. So as I previously stated, there is text creation, product descriptions, and articles, but there is also copy editing and proofreading, which includes correcting spelling and grammatical errors, as well as research surveys and a variety of other tasks. Also, I have a tiny piece of software that I could show you right now that can help you out with proofreading and editing so you don't have to do it all by yourself. Check it out, it is absolutely worth it. Anyway, here is how it works. Join up, it is entirely free. Fill out your user information, do brief assessments, get results, process your job online, and be paid weekly, and that is essentially it. So you can be paid by PayPal or this other one that I've never heard of called SEPA, which is presumably for foreign folks, but it is still extremely nice right here and anyone can do it. But in general, this is the program which is called ClickWorker, and you can access it at clickworker.com. Before we go on to the next one, if you appreciate and share this video with your friends, please press the red subscribe button and leave a comment down below. So here is the next app. It is called Crowdology, and essentially all you have to do is enter in this strange term right here in the upper left hand corner, and as you can see, you can give your ideas and get some additional cash. So you can earn up to $10 for every survey you do, and these surveys are just 2 to 10 minutes long, which is fantastic since most people don't make $10 in an hour, so earning $10 in 2 minutes is fantastic. Now, as you can see right here, for each survey that you complete, you receive a small amount that you can use to reward yourself or people close to you. We have expertise working with big companies, so you may earn a little extra on the side and treat yourself or those near to you. So that's how they make money. Leading brands and companies use these platforms to see and get their products and services reviewed, and people like us can review those products and services, and that is how we get paid. We get paid a percentage of their profits, which is why we get paid for every survey. So as you can see right here, Crowdology surveys are short and simple to fit into your day. Our online surveys normally take 2 to 15 minutes, but anyhow, as you can see right here, Crowdology surveys start at 40 cents and go up to $10 or even more, like win prizes as a bonus. There are many bonuses that you can earn on this platform as well. So here is how the platform looks, and we can quickly look at some of the different bonuses. There are several sweepstakes right here, and you can win various prizes. Now if you want to sign up, simply click sign up right here and you may cash out in PayPal G-codes or Amazon vouchers. To sign up, all you have to do is enter in your first name, last name, email address, zip code, and that is it. Okay, so let's move on to the final way to make money online in this video. As you can see right here, in getpaid2.com, you can earn money every time you go online by earning GPT points for the activities listed above. You can join for free, and in fact, all of these platforms are entirely free. So how does it work? You fill out surveys, view videos, play games, and do easy chores to gain points, which you can then swap for gift cards, cash, or PayPal money. As you can see right here, they claim to have some of the highest paying surveys in the industry. They don't claim to have the highest paying surveys, but they do have different offer walls that you can complete and quick points that you can earn. You can get paid out through PayPal, Amazon, Skrill, and cryptocurrencies, and they pay through Amazon and bank transfer, so this is also available worldwide. So as I said, it has everything for you. It is all arranged so you can play different games, and then it also has other games right here that you can play. So they are just some examples, and I encourage that you just sign up. To sign up, simply click the join button right here, enter your username and password, and then select the box next to your country. Now I do want to show you this final website. Though this isn't a way to make money online, it will help you out a lot technically because you'll be using this website, Grammarly.com, with ClickWorker, and as I mentioned, this can help you out with the proofreading and editing part or the copy editing right here as well. You can even get paid to record audio, so yes, this platform is ridiculous. However, if you're doing the proofreading and editing, you can use Grammarly, which will edit everything for you and not just correct the text, but also allows you to articulate yourself a lot better. So it suggests various words that would suit better in that phrase and would simply sound better, which is also useful if you're asking for a job, and I really recommend Grammarly, which can cure all your spelling issues, wonderful writing simplified, and all that nice stuff. Meet Grammarly's Tone Detector, which works with Gmail, Outlook, and other email systems, as well as social networking sites such as Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn, among other things. This is a fantastic platform as seen by their appearances in the New York Times, Wall Street Journal, USA Today, and Forbes TechCrunch, among other publications. Also, as you can see right here, we have a Grammarly keyboard which allows you to type quicker with clever autocorrect and better word choice, simplifying everything. As you can see right here, these are synonyms for fantastic, so comparable words that will be substituted will be better, and so on. They even have a swipe option, therefore I give this platform a 4.2 star rating since it actually works. It is simply that it can assist with so many various things that the possibilities are unlimited when you're utilizing other platforms. Well, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something new about this content. If you find this video useful, please leave a huge thumbs up and comment down below if you have questions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so you will be updated whenever I post a new video. Once again, thank you so much and I'll see you in the next one.